Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video HPM was Hpmtech. Hpmtech, India state government of encourage Web 2 and Web 3 blockchain startups. The state government of Telegram accredited launch of the India blockchain program Forex Easy Stack Web 2 and Web 3 startups and blockchain developers. Real world changing. The program launch technology increase management and work with ramps drive large director image technology and offers and special duty OST department government telegrams highlights state interest of adopt blockchain projected access multiple cases. Some of the interesting using cases the state is already posted in blockchain sheet fund in blockchain supply chain speed digital value platform blockchain according to official accountant statement. Government's 4 month blockchain access individual web will be open. Easy Steady Web 2 and Web 3 startups, word programming, business vertical initial foundation, talk and log health career. The Telegram government will help provide requirement regular framework to enable to promote blockchain grow large also discounts and environment ongoing after introduction 5 using case and talk designation 5dt in crypto upcoming blockchain. And she said the government of telecast and also fuse and developing supporting and large cell India's blockchain pools Opify around 1000k 100k next 73254 quads and labs and pass it. Similar is highlights in government blockchain applied state government future grow space available